Boys and girls, today we are starting our last lesson of The Wind in the Willows. It's our classic Tales conclusion, lesson 15. Our unit essential question, remember, how can literature teach us about ourselves and others? And our guiding question for the last few lessons has been, do stories need to be exactly like real life? Let's take a look at our vocabulary words for this concluding lesson. Our first word means complete confusion and disorder. Papers were flying through the air and people are running everywhere in complete chaos. Say it with me, chaos. Our next word, and remember, you're putting these in your vocabulary journal, which is going to be due to turn into me tomorrow. This is a long, narrow ditch in the ground. It's a furrow. Boys and girls, this is a new word to Mrs. Goshert. So a long, narrow ditch in the ground is called a furrow. A wooden hammer with a heavy, round head is called a mallet. Say it with me, mallet. Next, we have a person in a trial called to speak about what he or she saw or knows. This is a witness. Say it with me, witness. Next, we have the statement from the jury in a trial that states whether the person on trial is at fault or not. So whatever the jury decides in that trial, that word is sentence. Say it with me, sentence. Next, a group of people who listen to facts given at a trial to determine guilt or fault. This is called a jury. Say it with me, jury. And this is the decision of a jury in a trial. Is the person guilty? Did they commit the crime? Or innocent, meaning they did not do it. That is the verdict. Say it with me, verdict. This makes me wonder, boys and girls, what we're going to find out in our final lesson of Frog and Toad. Don't forget to put your words in your journal.